I'll explain the interest calculation, that is IRR calculations, and some important features related to that. So for this demo, I have configured these settings. You can also try with these settings. I'm searching a file, click loan, and then I'm selecting a product scheme. Configure manually. The amount is 2 lakh, 24% yearly. IRR standard, that is reducing interest, 18 months in tenure. I select here. I enter the date, that is the disbursement date, and the first installment date. Difference interest between disbursement and first installment is 2,666, and I have setting waive of interest between this. So I will say, yeah, I want to waive off this interest, and I click calculate. In calculate, whether that interest is adding or not adding will not be shown. It will be shown only the interest calculation part as usual. I click save. Loan number is created here. It's 1722. Installment, all installments are created properly in this system. Now what I do, I try with a different setting, saying that I don't want to waive off now. So I want to charge the differential interest, which is a pre-EMI interest. Or so here now I select 19th Feb, 11th March. These interests do not waive off. It means consider that, calculate that differential interest will not be shown here, but when I click save, it will be added to the installment. This installment, it is added. It's just a difference of 1 rupee. That's okay. Then rest interest calculation will be done here. Now if you are adding or applying auto debit, then definitely you want to merge this installment with this, so that your installment or first installment amount will be increased and will go uh, to recover with auto debit. So let's try to do that, but for that we have to apply one setting here, that uh, broken period, add broken period interest automatically in first installment, merge broken period interest with first installment. So this setting, I will click yes and saved. So broken period interest merge. I search a file here and then click loan, select the product scheme, and 19th Feb, 11th March. Okay, now do not waive off and click calculate. Pre-EMI or broken period BPI is not showing in calculate. I click save. Loan number 1724, and if I go to installment, that interest 4,000 plus 2,667 or 2,666 is added to this. Installment is jumped here, and this amount will be sent for auto debit. Okay, and rest interest calculation will not be impacted. Okay, all right. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Jainam Software channel. Have a great day.